Hey guys, I'm Brianna, the owner of Redding Baby, and today I'm going to show you how to wear your newborn in our ring slings. You can wear your newborn with legs in or out, but today I'm showing you how to sling her with legs out. Remember, our ring slings are tested and approved for babies once they are 8 pounds. Okay, before we begin, I'd like to point out some of the ring sling terms I'll be using in this tutorial. This is the rings. This is the tail. When you wear your sling, the top seam is called the top rail, and the bottom seam is called the bottom rail. Alright, step 1. Place rings right below your shoulder. Make sure fabric is flat against your back, and gather the fabric at the bottom of your tail and feed through both rings. Just like a belt, lift up the top ring and feed fabric over the top and under the bottom. Find each rail in between the rings, and once you are sure it is laying flat, use your fingers to pull the fabric up and fan it out. Finger walk fabric to make sure there are no twists. Using your forearm as a predictor for your baby's size, tighten the bottom rail until it is pressed against your body. Tighten the top rail a little looser than the bottom. Pick up your baby and gently lift her to a burping position. You want the baby in their natural position against your body, with their legs in a froggy position. Keeping one hand on baby, reach through the sling to grab her feet and gently guide the bottom rail around her legs behind her knees. Pull that bottom rail all the way up to their belly. Gently rock her down into the pouch until she settles back into that froggy leg position, with all her weight in her bum, not her ankles or her legs. Pull the top rail up her back and make sure the ring position is good. Then tighten the top. To take your baby out, just pull on the top ring while supporting her bum and lift her up and out. Use the tail on your sling for head support, or wrap around the rings to keep it out of the way. You can also use it as a sunshade or nursing cover. Yes, you can nurse in your sling. Just loosen the top rail while supporting her bum, wiggle her down a bit and latch her on. Once she is full, make sure to retighten and reposition. Once you both are comfortable, do your safety checks. The fabric should be tight against your baby's back. No slack should be at the top or bottom rails. Make sure her bum is below her knees. Your baby should always be close enough to kiss. Make sure your baby's face is in view at all times. The fabric shouldn't be covering their face, and you should always be able to see that they are breathing and that their face isn't buried in your chest. Check the position of the rings and that the fabric is capped over your shoulder.